Today I'm going to show you how to find every Shopify store that has Klaviyo installed. So inside StoreCensus, we're going to expand the apps filter, and then I'm going to click on the search icon, and I'm going to type in Klaviyo. Now, I want this one specifically. They have other applications. This is the one I care about, so I'm going to click on this, and you'll see it automatically applied the filter. We now have 245,000 Shopify stores that have that application Klaviyo installed. So you can also click on this and you can see metrics about the store. We can also go to the Apps and Technology here tab, and you will see Klaviyo is installed here, and it was detected on March 16th, 2025. Anyway, you can also further narrow down your results by estimated sales, by languages, verticals. There's technologies. You can see if there's a Facebook pixel installed, also by countries. Once you have the list of stores that you're after, you can save it to a list here. You can export it to a CSV file, or you can send it directly to one of our integrations. We have Instantly, and it'll send the leads directly to your campaign. So if you have an email campaign set up, it'll automatically send an email to those leads for you. Anyway, that sums it up. I hope you have a nice day. Bye now.